Hi, welcome at ERZIA.
Anyone can grow their business, but in IF and microwave, the real challenge is growing while keeping the quality, precision, and reliability that your business is known for.
Over the past few years, ERZIA has grown exponentially. We have doubled our team and our capacities and extended our presence in our key markets like defense and new space.
Everything we do at ERZIA starts with engineering excellence. Our growth over the last few years has enabled us to invest even more in R&D, allowing us to develop new solutions faster. This success has only been possible thanks to the expertise, collaboration of every member of our team. Our approach remains the same. Every product is designed with the precision, quality, and reliability that define ERZIA.
At ERZIA, we have grown our capacity without compromise. Greater volumes, shorter lead times, and increasingly complex quality requirements. All while maintaining the zero-effect mindset our customers depend on. More throughput, same ERZIA.
Our production capabilities have grown a lot, allowing us to deliver hundreds of units in a much shorter time frame. Still, quality is not negotiable. Every assembly and every module that leaves ERZIA carries our name and our standards.
Increasing volume while maintaining precision requires discipline, experience, and teamwork. Our manufacturing processes allow us to scale efficiently while preserving the craftsmanship and the reliability our customers trust.
We are investing in technology, people, and infrastructure so we can continue to surpass our customers' expectations.